Hello everyone, this is Naresh Maurya, your spoken English guru. And today in this video, I am just going to explain you your second poem, which is Fire and Ice. But before starting this video, I just wanna suggest you some COVID instructions. Wear your face masks properly. Wash your hands frequently. Use sanitizer whenever you need. And maintain social distancing whenever you go out from your house. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको 10th क्लास की फर्स्ट राइट बुक से जो सेकेंड पोएम है फायर एंड आइज और जिसे रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट ने कंपोज किया है को एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहा हूँ. दिस इज द पोएम फायर एंड आइज कंपोज्ड बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट. इन दिस पोएम रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट refers two predictions of how the world will end. Some say it will end in fire. According to others, it will end in ice. The poet equates desire with fire and hatred with ice. Both are growing with such a rapid speed that the world will perish either way in fire or in ice. Fire and Ice is a short poem by Robert Frost, and in this poem the poet refers two predictions how the world will end. Some say it will end in fire, while others say it will end in ice. According to the poet, fire stands for desire, greed, avarice, or lust. The more you try to satisfy them, the more they grow. There is no end to it. They spread rapidly like fire and engulf your whole life. One becomes selfish and sometimes cruel also. On the other hand, ice, according to the poet, stands for hatred, coldness, and rigidity. One becomes insensitive and indifferent toward the feelings of others. The poet says that both fire and ice are growing with such a rapid speed that the world become soon perish either way in fire or in ice. इस कविता में कवि रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट दो प्रेडिक्शंस की ओर संकेत करते हैं, दो अनुमानों की ओर संकेत करते हैं कि संसार का अंत कैसे होगा. कुछ कहते हैं कि इसका अंत आग में होगा, दूसरों के अनुसार इसका अंत बर्फ में होगा. कवि इच्छा को आग के और घृणा को बर्फ के समान मानता है. दोनों ही इतनी तेज गति से बढ़ रहे हैं कि संसार का अंत किसी भी तरह आग या बर्फ से हो जाएगा. नाउ वी शैल रीड द स्टेंजास ऑफ दिस पोएम. एक्चुअली सम से द वर्ल्ड विल एंड इन फायर, सम से in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि संसार का अंत आग में होगा और कुछ कहते हैं कि बर्फ में. मैंने इच्छा का जो स्वाद चखा है उसके अनुसार मैं उसका अनुमोदन करता हूं, जो संसार का अंत आग द्वारा मानते हैं. The poet says that there are two notions in the society about the destruction of the world. The first of these theories states that fire will cause the disaster to happen. He equates fire with human passion and desire. The poet frankly confesses that he agrees with those people who believe that the world will be burnt by fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of it to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. लेकिन अगर इसका अंत दो बार में होना हो तो मेरे विचार में मैं घृणा को काफ़ी मानता हूं और कहता हूं कि विनाश के लिए बर्फ भी जोरदार है और पर्याप्त होगी. Actually, in these lines, the poet stops discussing the first theory and goes on to talk about the second theory, the theory about the destruction of the earth by ice. He does not disagree with the first theory about fire. He simply considers what might happen if the earth were to be destroyed a second time. He is sure that the second time ice will be enough to destroy the earth as nearly and effectively as the fire. He then compares ice